Hi guys, this is Miss Willocks. So I wanted to show the Google Forms as an assessment tool. And what's really cool about Google Forms is a lot of people are able to use it as an assessment. If you click on the settings icon over here, you can click on quizzes and I can make this a quiz. Now, I felt that was a bit more popular, so I wanted to use it as a tool to collect information. Every year or every semester we have to give students syllabi and so forth, and I am one of those educators that I try to get away from paper as much as possible. Well, instead of having students and parents sign the form, I have them complete an electronic verification form, and this is for my AP Computer Science principals. So this is after, do a brief survey to find out how many students and parents have access to technology. And in most situations, 98 to 100% of the students have access to that technology. Students that don't have access, those are exceptions. They have the opportunity to turn in their hard copy signed verification forms. Okay, so here I created the question: enter the name of your parents and guardian. And key thing, and it's easy to forget to change this, make sure that you click on required so that the student has to complete that information. Have you read the syllabus with your student? I asked the students to do this with their parents or to give the parent the device and have them do it. I post the link to this syllabus form on my Google Classroom or my website and so forth. It's pretty easy it's pretty accessible. All right, do you understand and accept the guidelines? Do you have access to Infinite Campus? Will your student have regular access to a computer after school? That was important for this course. What is your preferred method of contact and so forth? Okay, so what I wanted to show you is the awesome way that the responses are displayed. So this is a new form, so you have 0 responses. When I do distribute forms to my classes, of course you'll see that, and it gives you an option of individual or group. You can see your responses in that matter. But what's really cool is you can click on create a spreadsheet, okay, and then you have the option to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing. So I'm going to create a spreadsheet, and here's my information. Okay, so it's time stamped over here. You probably can't see this column, but it's time stamped over here, and then you'll get all your information in an organized manner, which you can also sort because it's in your spreadsheet. So if you wanted it organized by last name or you wanted it organized by date and so forth, you can do it that way. I usually give some type of extra points or homework points for completing the syllabus verification by a certain date. But again, this is through Google Forms, and it is an amazing tool to use for quizzes and for surveys. And this would be that type of thing in terms of collecting information and storing it in your spreadsheet. Thank you so much for taking your time out to look at this brief video. Have a great day.